Okay, so now I'm going to review the last thing that matches with the last video's review, which was that keyboard. So this is the G903 Logitech gaming mouse. So it also has light speed with 1 millisecond. So it is almost on par with the keyboard. That is why it can work very well with it. And for the original price, you can get it from 500 ringgit on Shopee. So let's open the wrapper now. Okay, so this is the first impression of the box. It looks pretty good. It's not like a cheap looking thing. So good job, Logitech. So let's open it up now. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So much curvature going on, but I feel it's more for the ergonomics. And you have so much buttons. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I think there's actually 11 that it says on the box here. So you can actually customize it to whatever you want to use. So this one with the RGB light, you can only use it for up to 140 hours, and without it you can use up to 180 hours without charging. So we just have a look at the bottom here. I like how they did a glossy finish at the bottom, so it looks a bit more premium with some touches of gloss at the bottom. And let's turn it on now. Oh, that's good. They do not use the laser that we see on older mouses like this, where it has the red color thing. It's just the normal sensor that does not have the red light. So this is how it looks like. I think this is the only light that it has. And let's hook it up to the laptop and see how is it. Before we actually connect it, let's check what else is in this box here, okay? So let's see. It looks like it's packed with a lot of stuff underneath. Okay, so we got the normal sticker, you got the manual here, warranty card and all that, and we have the charging cable. Okay, wow, look at that, that's cool. So it's a micro USB charging cable. Okay, and then here we have something special inside. I'm actually very impressed with what Logitech have done. So it has a small pouch for you. You can open it up. Okay, and then you have a weight inside here for your mouse. Okay, it's a 10-gram weight to your mouse. And then we have the light speed adapter again for the mouse. And then these are the additional things that you can add to your mouse. So that's pretty cool. So let's put in the weight. Okay, this is something I've never seen before. So what we need to do is the bottom here, it's got to push hard and flip it open. So it's held by very good, I think like neodymium magnets or what. And then we put it inside here, just like that. And then you just gotta click it on. So I said the magnets will pull it in for you. Okay. And just like that, now you have extra 10 grams to your mouse. And then we also have these buttons here which we can add on to the side. Okay, so now the special feature about this, both left-handed and right-handed people can use. So what they need to do is they just need to switch sides by just removing this small little plastic cover here. Okay, and it's also a magnet, and then you get this inside the box and just have to clip it on. And just like that, now your mouse can be used on the right hand side as well. So that is a super cool thing that Logitech has thought about, which I rarely see on any other mouse. So now let's see, because there's supposed to be some more lights here, and it's supposed to be connected to the app again, which can control the whole mouse. So let's check out the app. Okay, so this will be the last thing about the app. So actually in this app is quite good again. We have the sensitivity DPI, so this will adjust the speed of how you move the mouse. And I don't know which kind of gamer plays at 25,600. Like, I feel this is a good speed for me already. Like maybe yeah, even 1,600 is good enough. Like this is way too high. Maybe those that has like super big screens will need that. And then we also have assignments, so again we can change all the buttons for what and for what it can work. And then it comes with G-Shift, so maybe this is for when you're gaming, then you turn that on. Then again you come to light sync, so you can sync with all this. It's lesser than the keyboard, but it has the audio visualizer, which I think is the best to go with. And then the logo, you can change the color here at the bottom, and it gives you the whole spectrum to change from. So that's about it from the app. So yeah, that's all about this. I'm quite impressed with what Logitech has done. It's just that the price is too high, but I guess the best part is because of the DPI speeds that what Logitech gives. So that's all from this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in the next one. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Bye guys.